Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use energy in Marvel Future Fight. Energy is the lifeblood of your game progression, allowing you to participate in almost every activity. Understanding how to manage it efficiently is key to building a powerful roster and advancing quickly. We will cover how to gain more energy, where to spend it wisely, and advanced tips to maximize your daily play. Let's dive into the fundamentals of keeping your energy bar full and productive. Now, let's talk about where to spend your precious energy for the best returns. Dimension Mission is a fantastic daily grind, offering a steady supply of biometrics for character upgrades and a good amount of gold. For those building top-tier heroes, epic quest missions are vital, providing unique materials. Don't forget Story Mode, which yields substantial one-time rewards and helps you unlock new characters as you progress through its chapters. Beyond natural regeneration, there are several ways to boost your energy reserves. Make sure to add many active friends, as each can send you 10 energy every day. Your alliance is another great source. Daily check-ins and donations often grant extra energy. Furthermore, consistently completing your daily challenges and various in-game achievements will frequently reward you with valuable energy packs, keeping you in the fight longer. For the dedicated player, here are some advanced energy tips. Utilize clear tickets to instantly complete missions you've already 3-starred, saving you significant time and allowing for faster farming. Always try to save a substantial amount of energy for hot time events, which offer boosted rewards for a limited period. If you're a very active player, occasionally purchasing an energy pack can be a worthwhile investment to sustain your intense gameplay.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.